1, 2.
Curby, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get into shape.
Really?
Yeah, I'm trying to be healthy. I need to get my beach body.
You know, the library has some things that you can borrow that would help you stay healthy.
Really?
Yeah, let me show you.
Here are two of the items that we have at King Township Public Library that patrons can borrow with their library card in order to help stay healthy. First, we have the library pedometer kits. Each kit comes with a personal pedometer that tracks the number of steps that you take while you wear it. When you borrow the kit, you will find the panel for the battery compartment is kept off of the pedometer, and this is just to help preserve the life of the battery. You just need to pop the battery panel onto the pedometer, clip it onto your belt or waistband, and then you can keep track of how much you are walking in a day with the monitor inside the pedometer. We also have an automatic blood pressure monitor that patrons can bring home. It is easy to use and all the instructions are in the kit with the monitor. All items, including these health devices, are quarantined between patrons checking them out, so you don't have to worry about any chance of cross-contamination, even with these personal health devices.
Curby, you hit 10,000 steps already?
Do you know how long this table is with turtle legs?
Well, good work.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1,